Today we have a Logitech V470 or the MRCQ142 mouse, and we'll be taking this apart and washing it. And we'll probably have 2 screws under here, and then we have 2 screws here. These need to be first heated up if you want to take them away normally. If you already have, as you should, new pads, then you can just take these off and put the new ones in once you're done. And since YouTube has removed our ability to use dislikes, please use likes and comments, because otherwise no one has any idea whether this tutorial is good or not. But let's get on the road with the heating. Using a gel case like this will help you keep the glue detachable, and you'll be able to put them back in if you're doing it like this. This is something that you will want to be careful with. It is really stuck in there, so be careful that you don't tear the cable. This can be probably washed as is. It would seem that you need to take this out, lift this enough that this comes out to take this out. And since we don't need to clean this part that much, I'm not going to do that. And I'm just going to put this thing back in. There we go. And then we're going to clean the rest of the parts. We could wipe this part so that it's as clean as it can be, but it seems that these things are very stuck in here, and I don't want to break the circuit board to take them out. There we go, all the little parts that we had, done. Now we can just rinse them, dry them, and put the thing back together. Now we just need to get the pads back on, which means that we're going to heat them up first. And there we go, all done. Now this particular mouse has this side, and if you want to paint this, it's actually quite easy. Since this is already painted, it's not actually this color. So for modifying this mouse, this would be good. But for the repairing part, we are all done for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.